Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to assign role to contact owner in Salesforce. So let's first learn what is role in Salesforce. In Salesforce, roles are a part of the role hierarchy that controls the level of visibility user and have data in the organization. Roles work in the conjunction with sharing rules and profiles to determine the access level user have. So let's learn to assign the role to the contact owner. For this, we firstly move to our Salesforce developer account. So this is my Salesforce developer account, and here we enter the role in the quick find box, and under the users we can see the roles are present. Click on these roles and it will redirect us to the understanding roles page, and under this page we can see there is a option setup roles. So for setting up the roles, click on the setup role option, and here we have an option to expand all. So for expanding all the roles, click on the expand all button. Now you have to choose the role that you want to assign. Suppose I want to assign a role of a CEO to the contact owner. So here is the CEO, and here I click the assign option that is in the front of CEO role. So we click on the assign. So now I want to assign the role to the users. Now here we select all users. By default, here in the search box, selected all unassigned, but here we want to select all users. So we click on the all users, and you will get the list of all users are available in the Salesforce. Now select the user to whom you want to assign. So here I select the user and select and add the arrow option, and it will move to the selected user for the CEO. If you want to assign more than one user, and you can select the other user and shift it to the CEO. So all these are the user, and you have to select the contact owner to whom you want to assign the role, and I have select the contact owner and move it to click on the save button. So it will assign the role to the contact owner, or you can say that it will assign the role to the user in the Salesforce. So with this, we have learned how to assign role to contact owner in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button. So also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.